Hi ladies, so today we're going to be doing some knotless goddess braids on Brie. All of the things that you will need for this look will be in the description box below and also on the screen. So Brie's going to start off by parting her hair in the middle. I literally take so long to part hair because I don't know, well, at least for a middle part, it just takes me forever, and I've been doing this for years now. Comment down below if you struggle to part your hair in the middle as well. So we're going to be sectioning off her hair into 3 before we start, and this will just make the transition from the back of the head to the front of the head a lot easier. We're gonna apply some Shine and Jam to the back, and then this will create a sleeker look so it's easier to apply the braids and it's easier to get a very neat outcome. And yes, ladies, I am using an applicator brush that has a comb attached because I can't find my comb. I don't know where it is, but as you can see, this is working just fine. So just like my previous video, I'm going to be going on as if I was braiding my own hair with the sectioning off it into 3 pieces and adding to each strand as I go along, and then braiding it out all the way to the end. But for this style, we won't be braiding it out all the way to the end. We will be leaving out about maybe 3 to 4 inches of hair so we can be able to curl it after. if you can see the strands of hair that are sticking out of the braid, but that is Expression's hair. I just took a tiny bit out, and what I'm gonna do is curl them. So I have my perm rod, and I'm just gonna wrap the hair around it. As I said before, the size of the perm rod is the size of the curl you're going to get. But if you do want a looser curl and you don't have the size that you need, you can always just take them out earlier, and it should provide you with a looser curl pattern. So there you have it, ladies. It is all finished. It is so effortless and so cute. I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, have a good day. Bye.